Here's a look at citizens who gathered in Bengaluru to express solidarity with the armed forces at a time when they are fighting and protecting our borders, staving off these multiple attacks from Pakistan. And there you can see the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister also led this Tiranga rally in Bengaluru, where citizens marched together holding up the national flag, showing complete support for our brave hearts who are fighting at the border. There you can see a massive Tiranga also being carried by those young people, by citizens who are marching over there. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Deputy Chief Minister as well, in this difficult time when we're facing this aggression. Let's just listen in to what Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said.
Invited all sections of the society, the students, the government employees, the organizations, institutions, whichever the organizations they belong. It is a national pride. We want to salute all our armed forces, and we want to be solidarity with this country. Country's integrity is very much important. So we have decided, and we are taking a very big march today. And I am very happy that within a short span of time, all sections of the people, including the retired armed forces, the students, and every section, and we have requested all political parties also. They have been participating in it.
Well, let's go across to Deepak, who joins us from Bengaluru. And Deepak, at this difficult time when the country is facing this situation along our northwest border, it's nice to see people coming out to show their support for our armed forces.
Yes, it was a massive rally. Thousands of people participating. It was not just the Congress party, but we had people from different walks of life. Even former, army personnel. There were war veterans who were a part of, this Tiranga rally. NCC cadets, students, working professionals. All of them marching together, holding the tricolour, chanting slogans in favour of the Indian Army and the country overall. Now, this was, of course, a yatra that was planned today in the heart of the city, and like I said, the participation was massive. It did show, complete, solidarity with the armed forces. And here, as we heard from the Deputy Chief Minister himself, saying that at this point in time, it's the time to show the armed forces that the nation is united. They are together. They are completely backing the armed forces, whatever decisions that they're taking, ensuring that they're protecting our borders, protecting civilians, protecting defence establishments across the country. And the little that the people can do is to show any form of solidarity and support to the armed forces.